Once upon a time, in a sunny farmyard, there lived a little red hen. She was very hardworking and loved to keep her home neat and tidy. One day, while she was scratching the ground, she found some grains of wheat. "Who will help me plant this wheat?" she asked cheerfully. The cat stretched and said, "Not I." The dog wagged his tail and barked, "Not I." The duck quacked, "Not I." The little red hen sighed, but didn't let it bother her. "Then I will plant the wheat myself," she said proudly. She watered the seeds and cared for them every day. Soon, green shoots began to sprout from the ground. When the wheat was ready to harvest, the little red hen said, "Who will help me cut the wheat?" The cat stretched again and said, "Not I." The dog barked, "Not I." The duck quacked, "Not I." The little red hen chuckled, "Then I will cut the wheat myself." And off she went with her little scythe. After cutting the wheat, she took it to the mill to be ground into flour. She was excited to make bread. When she returned home with the flour, she exclaimed, "Who will help me bake the bread?" The cat yawned and said, "Not I." The dog wagged his tail and barked, "Not I." The duck quacked, "Not I." With a big smile, the little red hen said, "Then I will bake the bread myself," and she did just that. Soon, the smell of fresh bread filled the air. The little red hen pulled out a golden brown loaf from the oven. All her friends, the cat, the dog, and the duck, smelled the delicious bread. They hurried over and said, "Can we have some?" The little red hen smiled and said, "Who helped me plant the wheat?" They all looked down, realizing they had done nothing. She continued, "Who helped me cut the wheat? Who helped me grind the flour? Who helped me bake the bread?" Finally, she said, "I did it all myself. And now I will eat the bread all by myself." Her friends realized they should have helped her, and they all felt sorry. They learned a valuable lesson that day. And from that day on, they promised to always help each other, sharing the work and the rewards. So, every time they had a job to do, they remembered the lesson of the little red hen. Teamwork makes everything easier.